Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to check your battery health on this laptop. To do it, open the Start menu and start looking for CMD. And once you find this application right here, run it as administrator and confirm. Now in this field you'll have to input power CFG spacebar / battery report. Now I hope you can see it. And once you're ready, press enter and you'll get a path which you have to select like this, then right click to copy it. Then you can open File Explorer, open the path field, press Ctrl V to paste it and press enter to open the report. You can choose the application to open it. For example, let's go with File Explorer, and in the battery report we can check all the information about the battery on our device, and you can see all the recent usage, the battery usage graph, and all the information you need to know. But basically what we want to focus at is design capacity compared to full charge capacity. So as you can see, the design capacity is 57 watts per hour. That is the original capacity of our device, and the current capacity is the full charge capacity, which is 56 watts per hour. So it's not much different. So our battery has worn out a little, but just literally by a couple percent. So it's still pretty fresh, and basically that's how you check the battery health of your laptop. Just compare these two numbers right here and see how much this one below is different, or rather how much lower this number is from this one, and you'll check just how unhealthy your battery is. So as I said before, this number numbers for me are almost the same, so battery is almost in the original state, and a little bit worn out. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.